I'm Tommy Cash, and this is my very first video. If you ended up here by chance, welcome, and if you like ATVs, motors, and that chill, laid-back vibe, you're in the right place. I ride a Yamaha Raptor 700 Revolutions, and most of the content here will be about it. Mostly we'll ride in the city, sometimes some off-road trips, and every now and then some wheelie practice. But first, I need to learn it properly, so get ready for my attempts, mistakes, and gradual improvements. Don't expect any pro tricks right away. It's more about learning wheelies, trying stuff out, falling, and those typical beginner things everyone goes through. I've been riding for about a year, and I've been trying to film my rides the whole time, so I already have a lot of footage. Now it's mainly about editing it, picking the best moments, and sharing them with you. This won't be a riding school or perfectly polished videos. It's more of a real view of riding, what works, what doesn't, and how you improve over time. I see this channel mostly as fun and a weight event, something where you can turn off your brain, watch a ride, enjoy the sound of the engine, and just chill. If you're interested in something specific, whether it's about the Raptor, modifications, gear, cameras, or riding itself, feel free to drop a comment. Don't worry about writing in any language. I'll translate it and reply to you. The voice I'll be using won't be completely mine, but I'll try to speak in English, which I don't know perfectly. If you enjoy this video or the channel, you can subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. And if not, thanks anyway for stopping by. I won't interrupt you while you're watching the video. Let's just go for a ride instead. This guy's learning how to ride on one wheel, and honestly, he's already pretty good. Absolute madman, haha. He's just grabbing some fuel, and then we're heading into the city. That sunset today is absolutely insane. Sorry about the voice, I'm still trying to find the best one, since I don't really speak English. This way I can talk to everyone, not just people from my country. These traffic jams don't look too good. I'll try to cut together the most interesting parts of the ride. If you made it this far, drop a comment and let me know if you like the sunset. Those exhausts are really popping. What do you think? Madman. If you made it this far, I just want to say thanks. I'm aiming for around 10-minute videos, so I'll cut it here for now, and it'll continue in the next video where we head to the other side of the city and do some riding on the dirt roads. But before that, drop a comment and let me know what I should improve or change to make it more fun for you. Feel free to leave a like, dislike, or subscribe. Drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. I'd love to know who's tuning in. Enjoy this rear shot and the sound of the exhaust. Take care, and see you in the next video.